till now we discussed yesterday. I think first exercise we completed.
Right.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone having any doubts in first exercise?
Sir, on doubt, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, you are saying you are doing the sums, sir. Do we need to do separately in the notes, sir? These sums.
sure. Because we need to spend more time on OBT part, especially we are the GE student, so we can more focus on that JE as well as we'll do each and every problem. Here, for example, this question is there. The collection of all boys in your class. So what will you write the solution? Anyone? Clearly, what is the question? Justify your answer. Whether the following are sets or not. Is it set? Is it in well defined? Collection of
Yes, sir.
objects. Yeah, how will you represent the answer?
Sir, within square brackets, you should write everywhere.
So clearly, the collection of all boys in the class is well defined because we can easily identify the boy which is belongs to that class. So that's like that. You can write the words. So whatever you write, everything is clearly it is correct. Okay. Otherwise, I'll be send you the notes, sets concept, right? How to write the solution and all. But try to understand the concept first of all.
Okay.
You have to understand the concept, solutions and all I'll be sent to you, right? Class notes. So what is the mean by empty set? For example, empty set. Yes, empty set can be denoted by pi. Nothing but simply curly bracket. That's it. Don't write any elements. There is no element, zero elements, right? Okay, that is empty set. Then finite and infinite will be there. So just a minute. Srigal sir is calling. Yeah, sorry. Sorry for inconvenience. Uh, right. Here, finite or infinite, so that we know the set consists finite number of elements, so that is a finite set. The set consists infinite number of sets, then that is infinite sets. That's it. Okay. Coming to second exercise. Once look at all these questions. Which of the following are examples of null set? Okay, everyone, you can observe all are. I told you, set concept is very easy. So you only said that which of the following subdivision, like whether first one or second one, third one, is null set. What about first subdivision? The set of odd natural number divisible by 2. What are the set of all
Null,
odd?
sir.
Is it possible?
No, sir.
It is a
1,
null set.
3, 5, 7, like that. Okay, so these are the set of all odd natural numbers, right? So can you able to divide this odd natural number by 2? No, it is not possible. It is null set. Okay, the first one is null set. Fine. First one is null set. What about second one?
Sir, only element 2 will be there.
Set of even prime numbers. How many are there set of even prime numbers?
2.
Only two. Two is the even prime number. So
Yes,
here
sir.
at least one element is belongs to the given set. Is it empty? One element is there.
No, sir.
It is
Singleton.
non-empty, singleton. It is a not null set. It is not null set because the set consists of
Third one is a
two.
null set, sir.
Third one, the x is a natural number,
Null.
x lesser than 5, and is there, and x greater than 7.
No, sir.
Mathematically not possible.
Yeah, is it possible 5 will be there, 7 will be there? X must be
It's not
greater
possible.
than 7, less at a time. It must be satisfiable. Not possible. Either x is lesser than 5 or greater than 7, but both it is not possible. So clearly empty. So what about
Next one also null set, sir.
yeah, all
For
students?
parallel lines, there cannot be a common point, sir.
Okay, there are two parallel lines, are they? Like as you said, is there any common point? When we are getting that common point, when two lines are intersecting, we get the common point. But clearly they said the two parallel line. Why is a point
No
common
point.
to any two
No
parallel?
point.
Is it possible?
Null set.
Yeah, not possible, so that null set. If possible is a non-empty set. Not possible, null set. Anyone having any doubts in the first question? All natural number cannot be divisible by 2. Empty. Even prime numbers means existed. 2 is a even prime number. So next, natural number which is lesser than 5 and greater than 7. Not possible. Why is the point common to parallel? No. Next, second. Which of the following set are finite or infinite? Very easy. The set of months of a year.
The finite.
Finite or infinite?
Finite.
Yeah, set of months in a year. How many months are there?
Finite.
Yeah,
12.
12 months. It is finite. It is finite. Then
Infinite.
it is F. What about second one?
Infinite.
Infinite.
1, 2, 3, so on up to where? Up to infinite.
They
This
are not
is infinite. We cannot count, uncountable, right? So it is infinite set. Then what about third subdivision?
finite.
Finite.
How many numbers they given? 1, 2, 3,
100.
so on till 100. 100 means clear it is finite. Finite set. Then what about this? The set of positive integer greater than 100. Finite. Finite or not?
Infinite. Infinite.
Students, greater than 100, how many positive integers are there? Infinite will be there. So this is infinite. Having any doubts? Okay, next. The set of prime number less than 99.
Finite.
How many prime numbers are there less than 99?
25.
Infinite.
Already infinite.
25.
25. Already we seen this. Okay. So we observe that there exists 25 prime number lesser than 99. Is that clear, students? Are any doubts in the second question? Set of months 12 finite, 1, 2, 3, so on infinite, 1 to 100 finite numbers, greater than 100 not possible, infinite. So prime number less than 99, finite, because 25 prime numbers are there. Now coming to third question. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Again the same question which belongs to finite or infinite. Now first subdivision. The set of line which parallel to x-axis.
Infinite. Infinite.
Can we draw any finite number of parallel line? How many exist like parallel to x-axis?
Sir, if you are drawing
Infinite.
that into y-axis,
Yes.
sir, you are drawing parallel.
If the lines which is parallel to x-axis, how many lines we can draw? Infinite. Yeah, this is infinite. Is it clear? Now, first one is infinite. Second one, English alphabets. How many are there?
26.
Finite or infinite?
Finite.
Right. Third subdivision. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5.
Infinite.
Infinite.
Infinite. 5, 10, 15, so on up to infinite. A 0, -5, like so up to clearly it a multiple of 5 having infinite. Okay, now fourth subdivision. The set of animals living on the earth. Anyone?
Finite.
Finite, are you sure? Can you count that number of?
Sir, infinite.
Is it possible to count?
So we cannot count, sir, but it is finite.
Yes, exactly. It is finite, but it's quite
It is
big
like
number.
counting number of people only, sir. We can't
Yeah.
exactly count, but we can.
Whether it is possible, like whether we can countable or not, it is countable because it might be some 1,000 crores or 10,000 crores or 1 lakh crores, whatever it is, but it is countable. That is also a finite value. 1 lakh crores are there. That is a finite again. Infinite is uncountable. So the set of all animals living on Earth is finite clearly, but it might be a big number, right? Right. The set of circle passing through the origin, finite or not?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Yeah, how can you say it is infinite? Is that infinite? Yes, 100%, right? See here, we can draw an infinite circle. This is circle passing through origin. This is circle. 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 Like that, infinite circles we can draw. Okay, infinite. Any doubts in question number 3?
No, sir.
All right, let's go for the question number 4. In the following, state whether A equal to B or not. A is given, B is given. Now we have to check whether A equal to B or not. Yes, here order is not important. Remember that if you want to check whether equal or not, means order is not important. Whether the both the sets having common elements or not, same elements or not, same objects or not, right? What about here? Is here A equal to B?
Yes, sir.
A there, okay, A is also there, B is there, B also there, C is there, C there, D, D. Okay, so clearly equal. Then what about second one?
Not equals.
Not equal.
Why? 8, 8 is there, 4, 4 is there, 16, 16 is there.
12 is sir.
12 belongs to A, but 12 does not belongs to B. 16 is belongs to B, 16, sorry. 18 is belongs to B, 18 does not belongs to A. So not equal. See here what I want to say. Here A and B are in second subdivision. It is not equal sets, but we can say equivalent set. Equivalent. What is the mean by equivalent? The number of elements are equal. It may be same or may be different. Then the given sets having the same number of elements, then we can say that equivalent sets. Okay, here A and B are equivalent but not equal. Equal means the same element should having both A and B. Now, what about third subdivision?
Equals, sir.
Yeah, be ready and you only tell me. X is a positive even integer lesser than or equal to 10. Equal or not, students?
Equal only, sir.
Equal because lesser than or equal to 10. So these are the positive even integer, right? Right, equal. Then fourth, is it
It is
equal or
not equal, sir, because it is a multiple of 5.
Okay, X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10, nothing but what are that? 10, 20,
10,
30,
30.
so on.
But-
But here, 15. Is 15 multiple of 10? No. Is 25 multiple of 10? No. Right. Any doubt in fourth question? Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Right. Next, go for the next question. Right. Here are the following pair of sets equal. Here also same question, but we have to give the reason. So here A is they given 2, 3. B set, see they given in the roster form. Here they given in set builder form. Okay, if we change to roster form, B B, it's better we can change to roster form. To change roster form, what is X actually? X is a solution.
So minus 3 comma minus 2, sir.
Yeah, X is a solution of this quadratic equation. All of you solve this quadratic equation.
Sir, x plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus
Okay.
0, sir. -2 and -3.
minus 2 and
Okay, we'll write like this. I'm writing roughly here, right? So, at first you should find the factors. Yeah, as you said, that is right. X square plus 5x
Plus 5x
plus
plus 6.
equal to 0. Here I want to find the solution, like roots of this quadratic. X square. Actually, if it is objective question, no need to write all these steps. You can write six factors are uh, 2 3s are
3
2
and
plus
2.
yeah 3 or 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 3 is 6. Then the roots are opposite side, -2
Minus 2 minus 3.
-3. Yeah, actually at the x values are -2 -3. So generally outright, but in NCERT you should write all these steps like this. So what is the common in first two and last two? X is common, x plus 2. Last two, 3 is common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to -2 -3. Is that clear, students? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, but -2 -3, B consists of -2 -3. These are the x.
Not equal sets.
Yeah, exactly. So easier A and B are equal. They're 2 comma 3, but -2 comma 3, it should not equal. Right. The question number second subdivision. What about second subdivision?
Equal sets.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, first you can write
Yes,
in
sir. Because
roster
letters
form.
are not repeated.
Roster form you can write. Okay,
FOL.
LW. Okay, I written in roster form. Here also better to write in roster form.
WOLF.
Is it both sets A and B having same
Yes, sir.
number, same letters?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, so that we can say easily, clearly, that's it, equal. So A equal to B. Now question number 6. Question number 6, from the sets given
E
below,
and G, sir.
what are the sets equal?
E and G,
E and
B and D.
E and
G,
G, B
okay,
and D.
B and D.
that's it.
Yes, sir.
Right, here B is equal to D, E is equal to G. Other than that, any other sets are equal, any two of other sets? No, maybe 2 equal, it may be 3 equal. See here, you should write the steps. How can you write the steps in this case? A simple. Here, first we can take A. A is equal to 2, 4, 8, 12. Okay. Now I want to check whether A and B are equal or not. So in that case, what will you do? 8 is belongs to A, but 8 doesn't belongs to B. So that you should write A not equal to B. Like that again, you can compare A and C. 8 is belongs to A. 8 belongs to, okay, for example, 8 is there, 2 is there, but 2 you can
14.
2 is belongs to A, but 2 does not belongs to C. So A not equal to C. We know that clearly A not equal to B, A not equal to C. That we know very clear. Okay, and A not equal to D, A not equal to E, A not equal to F, like that. If they give for 3 marks or 3 marks question, try to explain like this. We cannot write directly here. In object, okay, we can write E is equal to G, B is equal to D. That's all. But other cases, for example, next after completion of A, you can take B. B is equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4. P you can take 1, 2, 3, 4. So already we compared A and B. Now you can compare B and C. Here one is belongs to B, but one doesn't belongs to C. So B not equal to C. Like that, you can take any one of the element in B and compare. And each element of B is an element of D. Each element of D is an element of B. So here A subset, sorry, B subset to D, D subset to B. So that B is equal to D generally. Like that, you can write the steps. Okay, I'll give the subset. Yeah,
Sir, for NCRT, you need to write the steps there.
yeah, you have to write the steps. If possible, I'll try. I'll provide the notes. No problem. The steps wise.
Do we need to maintain separate note for this, sir? NCRT
Yeah, sure.
solution.
For NCRT, you should maintain that class notes and OBT separate.
Okay, sir.
So everyone
Sir,
for
how
NCRT, yeah.
Sir, how we know that that is an NCRT topic or master topic, sir?
How many?
How can we know that that is a whether an NCRT topic or master topic, sir?
So every NCRT topic is a topic of OBT, but OBT will do that problems exercise, like level 2, level 3 will do like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any important synopsis are there that you can write in OBT notes, and you can we can do that exercise problem. But NCRT is separate. You can maintain for only NCRT. In that you have to write uh, NCRT problems and RS Agarwal problem, right? But OBT separate. Because if you write proper notes, that is very, very useful to you. But don't delay to write the notes, to maintain the notes, because if you're pending 1 or 2 days, all subject will be there. You are unable to write again notes properly, right? Maintain the notes properly, right? Next, subset. Subset means every, for example, I want to say A subset to B. Every element of A is the element of B. That is a subset. See, A is said to be a subset of B. Every element of A is also an element of B. And we can denote it by A subset to B. This is the symbol, subset. Okay, for example, I'm going to explain the concept now. All of you look at. Yeah, A is equal to, I want to take 1, 2, 1, 3. I given like this. I given like this, right? Now, my question. Easier, can I write A is one is belongs to A or one subset to A? Which is correct? Anyone?
Sir, one belongs to you.
First one or second one?
One belongs to A, sir. If it is in the bracket, we can tell it is a subset, sir.
Yeah, this symbol is subset, but simply have written one. One is an element. Element always belongs. Okay. Now, instead of this, it's better. You might be confused here. I want to take this 6. Okay. Now, first one is right, second one is wrong. Next. 6. Is it belongs to, will write belongs to A or 6
Belongs
is
to A, sir.
subset to A? Belongs
One
to
more bracket
subset.
should come.
Subset, sir.
Subset to you, sir.
Again, first one only.
No, sir. Second one.
Second one is correct or first one correct?
Second one.
Yes. Give clarity. Yes, remaining students. Can anyone say that second one is right?
First one is right because we should add one more bracket, sir.
First one is right. Can anyone saying that what is my question? The second one is correct because bracket is there. Bracket nothing but it is set. Am I right?
Yes, sir. So second one, please, sir.
Second one only.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Okay. Here the correct answer is again So the first one is right, second one is wrong. Because see, A consists some elements here. What is the element here? Already we are having bracket. Already we are having bracket. But in this case,
Now only it is a subset, sir.
yes. Now this is the element. Just it is element, but it is in curly bracket. Now subset. Next, all of you can understand very clearly. 3, comma 4. Now what about this?
Belongs to A.
Belongs to or subset?
Belongs to.
Is it a element
Belongs
or subset? Yeah, belongs.
It is an element, sir.
It is an element, so that belongs. Whenever it is element, belongs. Whenever it is set, you can use subset, right? Okay, now here, can anyone tell that what about this? Whether it is belongs to A or
Not true.
belongs to A or subset to A?
It does not belong to A.
Does not belong to you.
Does not belongs to A.
Sir,
Okay,
element of
Yes, sir.
3 is there, 5 is there.
Yes, sir.
3, comma 5 have written. Is it not belongs to A?
Sir, 3, comma 4 is a element, sir. We can't divide.
Yeah, exactly. If we instead of 5, if we take 4, it is correct. It is correct. But 5, this 3, comma 5, this doesn't belongs to A, so that it is not a even subset also. Right now, what about this 1, 2, 5? Anyone?
sir, it is a
Subset.
Belongs
Subset.
to subset.
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 Yeah, see
Subset
1,
of A,
2,
sir.
exactly. So 1 to 5 are the elements, so subset. Okay, have we got, so if it is a element, you can use belongs to. If it is a subset, then you can use this symbol. Clear, students? Then what about this? In this case,
Subset.
Subset.
subset to A. Okay, now empty set. So I'm taking like
It is a subset, sir.
Subset, sir.
good subset, 100%, right? So I'm taking like this. Now what about this? Is it empty set? I'm taking A as curly bracket of empty, this symbol. Is it empty or non-empty set? Anyone?
Empty set only.
Is it empty set or non-empty set?
Empty
Sir,
set.
non-empty set.
Non-empty set, sir.
Non-empty or empty?
Sir, non-empty.
0 is element here, sir. So it is singleton.
Sir, null should be outside, sir. Null is equal to
No, I have written
5.
like this. I written like this. In this case, what can you say? Whether it is empty or not? Equal to pi or not equal to
Not
pi?
empty, sir.
Okay, non-empty nothing, but it has at least one element. So A is a set consists any element here? Yes, this is an element. Pi is an element. So clearly it is right. A is non-empty set. A consists one element, that is pi. Okay, so pi. Clearly it is non-empty, right?
Sir, but when we write justify, sir, then it is an empty set, sir.
No, it is pi nothing, but here it is an element. I am not saying that this pi is empty.
Sir, no, sir, without any bracket, right? We write pi, then it is empty set, sir.
Without bracket, if you write pi, it is empty.
Okay.
Now it is empty. Right? Here pi is an element, it is non-empty. Fine. Now, I hope that you got idea about belongs to and subset to. That properties and all I will write A subset to B, B subset to, then A subset to C or not, that and all. Okay, now let's see all the question first. Okay, anyone? Make correct statement by filling in the symbol subset or not subset in the blank spaces, right? Now anyone, So what can we fill here, whether subset symbol or does not subset? Not subset.
Sir, subset.
This is one set. This is another set. Is here the first set is subset to second set or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Is,
yes.
is every element of this set is the element of this set or not? Yes, clearly. So symbol is subset. We should put first. Okay, if we take this is A, this is B, clearly A is subset to B. Right. Next, what about this?
Not
No, sir.
Very good, because here A is the element of first set, but A does not belongs to second set. A is here, but A does not belongs to second set. Right. Next, X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. Here X such that X is a student of your school.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Subset.
Is it subset? Very good. Because
Sir, yes.
class 11th students are also a student of that school. Sure. Good. Right. Next, fourth one. X is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane. Here, X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit.
Not a subset.
Not a subset. How can you say it is not a subset?
But if the order is changed, we don't have any radius.
Yeah, here X
It
is
can
a
be
cir-
2 radius or 2 unit or 3 unit.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. See here, in first set, X is simple. X is a circle they given. They did not mention that particularly it is radius is 2, 3 like that. So any radius, here I'm taking radius is 3, I'm taking radius is 100 also. But what about another set? The radius must be 1 unit. Is every circle is a subset to this circle whose radius is 1? No, not. Then next, fifth subdivision. X is a
Sir,
triangle
not a
here.
subset.
Not. Because X is a triangle. Set of all triangles in a plane is subset to set of all rectangle in a plane. This is different. This is different. Yes or no? And next, X is
The subset.
equilateral triangles in a plane. X is a triangle in same plane.
Subset.
This plane is there. Here another plane will be there. Here only equilateral triangles. But here
Equilateral.
just
isosceles.
triangles. Just triangles. It may be equal, it may be right angle triangle, maybe scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, whatever it is, all triangles. So clearly it is subset. In this plane, we are having all equilateral triangles also. Right? So clearly subset. Next, seventh subdivision.
Subset. Sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
X is
Yes,
even
sir.
natural number. X is a integer, right? Every even natural number is a subset to integer, right? Okay, first question completed. Now coming to the second question. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Clearly they're given. Just we can say that whether it is true or not by observing that. Yeah,
Sir, first one false.
Also.
false. Are you sure? Why it is false?
Sir, A and B are there in both sets, sir, but they have given it
given?
is a not subset. It is not a subset of.
Exactly, exactly. Actually, it is a subset, but they given not a subset. So false. Second one,
True, sir.
Sir, it is true.
AE. So subset to X is a OL. Okay, here AE IOE. So AE is clearly belongs to AE IOE. So true. Next,
False, sir. 2 is not there in both the sets, but they
Yeah.
given.
exactly. 2 is belongs to first set, but which is not belongs to second set. Right. Then this,
True, sir.
Sir, this is true.
this
A is there in both the sets, sir.
False.
is it true?
False.
Why? Because this is the symbol of set, but they given belongs to.
If they're plainly given A, we can say it belongs to A.
Exactly, exactly. Without the curly bracket, if they give, it is true. Okay, then a sixth subdivision. X
Sir,
is
this
even
is
natural number,
true. True,
less
sir.
than 6. Two, is it true?
No, sir.
X is-
5 it is coming, sir. No, sir. It is not a subset. 5 will come, sir, but it will not divide 36.
no, it's not. Clearly they mention even. Why you want to take 5?
Sir, false.
So
See
true.
what we get.
Even means it is
True,
true,
sir.
sir.
Even natural number. What are the even natural number lesser than 6? Less than 6. 2 and 4. Is 2 and 4 is the natural number. Divides 36.
Both divided.
Yes, sir.
Is 2 and 4 divides? Yeah, true. Then it is true. Then it is true. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us see the third question. I hope that till this question uh, everything is clear, right? Next. Oh my God, this will do. Then we can take the break. 1, 2, right. I clearly given one example. It is also like that. Which of the following statements are correct and why? Yeah, is it right? Is it correct?
False, sir.
Why it is a false? Why
Sir,
it is
it
false?
belongs to A, sir. We should put another pair of curly brackets, sir. Then only it will belong.
Yeah,
It will,
actually it is an element, but the given symbol is subset. It is not a set actually. Element of A. So this is the element of A. So which is not a set. So clearly it is false. Then second one,
Sir, it is true.
clearly it is true, right? Because element nothing but we can use the symbol belongs. Then what about this?
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Sir, yes.
Exactly, because again curly bracket, right? Now
True.
this,
True, sir.
True.
right? Yeah.
False.
Why? Because
False,
one
sir.
is the element.
Correct.
Now this,
Yes, sir. True.
True, sir.
good. 1, 2, 5. It is a
False.
set.
Next one,
Subset
false.
to false.
Sir, this is false,
False.
sir.
False, sir.
Because why it is a false? Because 1, 2, 3. 3 is belongs to here.
Three.
3 is inside curly brackets, sir.
Exactly. Inside
We can't
is
divide
the
3 and 4.
exactly. We cannot take the combination of 1, 2, 3. Right. Next
False.
is it false?
True, sir. True.
True,
True.
sir.
True or false?
Sir.
True, sir.
False.
false, sir.
Anyone? False or true?
False only, sir.
False, sir.
Okay, majority of the students they are saying false. It is false because what is pi? Is pi is a element or
Null
a set?
set, sir.
Set. Pi is a set. It's null set. So null set nothing but you should take subset, not belongs to. It is an element. Okay. Now what about this? This one?
True, sir.
Exactly. It is clearly true. This is. Now what about last?
False.
False, sir.
False. Right. Why it is false? Because
Null
pi
set
is
is
belongs
not
to
an
it.
element. Null set is not an element, sir.
Here pi is an element. This pi is not belongs to here. This pi is different. This pi is different. Here pi is a null set. But curly bracket pi means it will become element. Okay, fine. So do you want to break or else we can continue till 3 o'clock? I can stop that because till 3:10 we are having class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you want break?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.